Creative Solutions. Today I'll be doing ISC 2019 practical paper question number 3. I will also be showing you the coding part. The code will be given in the description section. Please only feel free to just keep your pens down and understand what I am teaching you. Okay. The question given was a sentence may end with full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark only. This is a boundary condition. This is just for checking the validity of the sentence. That's it. And the second part was that we need to check for palindrome. If the word is palindrome, we keep it that way. Otherwise, we turn the word into palindrome. That is HELP. This is not a palindrome word. But what if we do HELP, LEH we add? Then this is a palindrome. Okay. But there is also a secondary case in which if the ending, suppose word ending with repeated digits, we need to avoid adding them. That means like if ABB, now ABBA is a palindrome, but what if we do ABB and BBA? This is not a, but this is not what we, this is also a palindrome, but we should not do this. This is what the condition states. The word which ends with repeated alphabets, we must only take them, we must not take them into account. That's it. Display the original sentence along with the converted sentence. That's it. The examples are bird is flying, TEHT, BERD, all it's, that's basic example. Okay. That's it. But see, the boundary test condition has not been satisfied, so it's an error. Now moving on to the code part. Okay. I'm using Eclipse. See, I have already uploaded one video for the practical question number 1. This is for question number 3. Okay, I'll explain you the question. What have I done here? Okay, I'm using a function, a palindrome check function. Now see what I'm taking in a sentence from the user. This is a basic scanner class I'm using. Just have initialized an array which will hold the words. Actually, I'm giving a sentence. I need to calculate each words. Okay, and here is the INS. These are variables. INS is just for inserting variable. I'm checking for boundary test condition. If it is equals to, if the last character is equals to question mark, full stop or exclamation, then only come inside, otherwise says invalid input. As it states, this will check the validity of the sentence. This is my first condition. Now moving on to the second, I need to extract words from the sentence. So what do? I learn a simple loop to the length, extract the characters by caret function. If it is equals to space, exclamation mark, blah, and full stop, question mark, we word INS plus K. Else we continuously add the word. See what we do. I'll give you an example. Let's see. Suppose K. Okay. First word. Suppose the word given is mango. Simple. Let's take an example of mango. The first character comes through is M. M is not equals to any. No. Let's take a sentence. What to say? Mango is yellow. Just say mango is yellow. Okay. Now the first word coming through, let's put full stop here. Okay. Mango is yellow. Now first character will come through is MANGO. All will come in else. Now when as it encounters a space, it immediately go to if function. Words is a, I have made a array, string array, which will store the words. I've just initialized 100. It does not matter. You can take it. You can use here if you want. You can use. You can vector or anything else. List array. You can use anything. They have dynamic size, but it does not matter. Word INS is a simple variable which will increment its position. INS K, and I initialize K to space again. Now is will come again. Same thing will happen. Then when there will be a space encountered, it will go back. It will be added here. Yellow. Now see the why these conditions are being given, because to the end of sentence any of these following conditions can be there. So this has been given. Then again, entire words we have each and every word from the sentence into words array. Okay. We'll just remove these. I hope you have made you understand. Now see, now what next thing I do, I simply INS. Now the array length has been to the words array length is to INS. We send string W palin check words of IA. I'm sending one by one word to palincheck function, which will return a string type. Okay. Now moving on. What is palincheck function? See, suppose the first word is mango when it comes here. I'll reverse the word mango here. It will become onag. Okay, let's take something easy. Let's check the word. Okay, I'll just an example. Let it be hello. Its reverse is OLLEH, I believe. Yeah. I'll reverse the word. This is what this portion does. Then I'll compare with the original word. Hello with ole. If it is equal, I'll put flag equals to 1. That means this is palindrome. I do not need to make palindrome out of this word. Simple as that. See? That's it. Now what do I do? If it's not a palindrome, flag not equals to 1. I'll remove this. Okay, done. Now flag not equals to 1. I need to calculate the length of the word. The last character, I just take out the last character of the word. Dupli length, I'll tell you, just for now this is a variable and count equals to 0. Now see, there is also a condition when the word might end with repeated characters. What do we do then? We can do one thing. What I'm doing here is starting from reversing the array toward the entire length. For the first time, if it encounters repeated characters, that is last char equals to C, and it counts. Okay, count plus. Okay, it starts with last character. Okay, it is similar because last char and C1 are entirely same, because last character is also word of L-1. This is also L-1. So okay, this is satisfied. Now it will move to the next character, which is L-2. If L-2 is equals to last character, okay, that means we have repeated characters. That means count will have at least the value of greater than 1. As now it moves to the second word. Okay, now it's not, so it will break. This, see why I'm using break here. So only one repetition, because there might be a word like, suppose just take an example. I'll just make up some word. Okay, MN. Okay, not here. MNN KOLL. Okay, now see what's happening here. I do LL. That means to make this word palindrome, its palindrome will be MN KOLL ONKNN. See, okay, no, just a minute. Yeah, that's it. This will be the palindrome of this word. I do not need to repeat, but only the first repeated characters. I do not need to use LL again. LL will be only once. ONKO. Okay, just a minute. I think I'm missing a character here. Okay, MNNKO. Nah, it's okay, fine. This is the palindrome of the word. I only check for the first repeated characters from the back. That means only one. I should not take for these characters also to remove them. Okay. I hope you have got this point. Now I have the new length. See, if count is less than equals to, that means only last character. That means there are no it does not end with the repeated characters ending. So I do dupli length equals to entire length of the word. If it is greater than 1, I do dupli length plus 1. See, array indexing position, we are doing a reverse array, so it will automatically come down to 0. I mean, there will be at least one decrease in length. So we need to do this. Now, okay, now we do a simple loop to L-1 to dupli length -1. We take out each characters, we add them in reverse order. That means, okay, now suppose the word is hello. What we do? We start from LLEH because we have the new length there. It is going to L-1. We'll simply start from OLLEH. It's been done. That means we are basically extracting words or leaving the last characters here. Suppose hello is the word and it's not a palindrome. So what I'll extract the hell word. Do not take it literally. I'll extract the hell word, but I will add in opposite manner. That means I am doing basically this LLEH. I am running the loop till leaving the last character hell, and I'm adding the character in reverse order. Simply LLEH I get. That's a clever method you can use. You can also use this for reversing a character. Like suppose you can run a simple straight loop to L minus 1 or L and simply add the characters in reverse order. That means you will get the reverse of characters without running a reverse loop. Now I simply, the original word is there and I add S2 there and I send the result to S3 and we return the result. Returning here, whatever word I get, I just replace it in the original array here. I simply replace the word so that I have the word entirely word there. Then I print the word out there. Okay, now I'll show you the output. Okay, just I think so original word needs to be printed side by side. Okay, we'll do one thing. See, just you can type out sysout and press control space. You will get the entire recommendation what you need to type. Yeah, I'll just print the original sentence, which is yes. We'll save this and we'll run the program. Okay, let's check the first input. Copy this. Okay, let's run the first input. The bird. See, palindrome has been done perfectly as it's there. Now let's go for the second word. Second word is also going perfectly fine. No worries there. Second word is perfectly fine. Now let's go for the third word. See, the third word is little tricky because it has repeated characters. Let's see what's the output here. Yeah, see, APPA. What it did, like as you can see, we changed the length here because it is greater than 1. So not plus plus, we change the length here actually. Original word here. And its count is greater than 1 here. Okay, not here. Yeah, exactly here only. Length plus plus. Basically plus plus in the sense means it is going to the one of sentence because the array indexing starts from 0. We are comparing the characters. If it matches, we'll do count plus plus. Again it matches, count equals to I. But array indexing starts from 0. I mean it's going till 0. So we need to increment in the value of 1. Now let's check for the last value. It should give us an invalid input. Okay, let's run this. Don't worry, the code will be given in the description section. Yeah, absolutely, invalid input. That's it. I'll be further making more videos on ISC papers and ICSE papers very soon. Please follow them. Please share with your friends. And please feel free to reach to me through comment section or in my mail ID anytime and I'll help you damn sure in your problem. Okay. Thank you.